Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Monumetric ad platform setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Monumetric website. Log in to your Monumetric account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Unit Setup under the settings options. You'll see an option labeled Authentication. Select Set up Authentication. Here, you'll be prompted to type in the exact URL of your website. Next, choose the ad types you want to use. You can select from display, video, or native ads. After selecting your ad types, click on Generate Code. Copy the provided authentication code. Now, go to your website's content management system. For WordPress, navigate to the Theme Editor. Locate the section for header or footer scripts. Paste the authentication code in the appropriate area. Save the changes made to your website. Return to the Monumetric dashboard. Click on Validate to confirm your authentication. If the validation is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, your Monumetric account is successfully authenticated. You can begin setting up and optimizing your ad units. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.